how you can get a loan of 3,000 to 5,000 dirhams from the Botim app. But today I'll show you how to use that loan once your send now, pay later loan in Botim is approved. Remember, it cannot be used inside the UAE, only for international transfers to your home country. Here's how to use it. 1. Open the Botim app and tap on Me at the bottom. 2. Go to Botim Money, then tap on Send Now, Pay Later. 3. You'll see your approved loan amount. Tap Use Now. 4. Select the country you want to send money to and enter the amount, few dirhams less than your limit. Tap Send Now. 5. Choose your beneficiary or add a new one. Then tap Confirm Beneficiary. 6. Review the total fees and recipient details. Then tap Pay. 7. Select your installment plan, 2, 3, or 5 months. Accept the terms and tap Confirm. 8. Enter your voting password and your transfer will be sent.